All right. So today our app spotlight segment here. Michael and I each went out to AppSource. We set some filters to say, show me all of the apps that are free and have at least 4 stars rating. I don't know if that's out of 5.
Out of 5, yeah.
Out of 5. So what are some of the top rated free apps that are out there? And so we each independently went out, reviewed the list of those, and picked out one that we thought appealed to us. And so we could talk about those. The one I picked is called Graphical Inventory Profile. It's by Abakion, who has multiple other apps out there on AppSource. And the reason I picked this one is because if you've been using NAV or older versions of Business Central, maybe, you know that when you go to various pages throughout the system and you look up item availability, there's different ways that you can search for item availability. For example, you could say, give me item availability by period, item availability by location, by BOM level, unit of measure, or event is one of my favorite ones each time a quantity is impacted. There used to be another option called availability by timeline, and it opened a graphical timeline view of your availability over time. So you could see a chart where it shows your inventory going up and then going down as you were at your, as you sold some of those. And first they took it away. It's all of a sudden the timeline disappeared. And I thought,
like an on-premise type of thing.
I don't know, maybe there was some technical reason that Microsoft removed it.
Yeah.
But it was very helpful because you could kind of see the trend of an item. Like, what's been happening with this? Like, I see that I have 10 on hand, but I can see quickly if I look at the visual that we've had 10 on hand for like 4 months.
Right.
Why should I buy more at this point, right? So I like that. And then I was disappointed when it got removed. But alas, you can go out there and use the graphical inventory profile, and it adds it kind of into the same spot. Item availability by, and then you can pull this up. There's a request page where you've got a ton of different settings and options of what you want included or not included. And then you can click OK, and it shows you a visual representation of your supply and demand for that item over whatever period of time you define. So pretty slick, a nice little add-in feature. It's free. And it just plugs right in there. It's like very little training, I think, needed. I just installed it and was able to start using it pretty much immediately.
Setup page or anything when you installed it?
There is one just to kind of enable it and activate it.